My name is Gentrix Wanyonyi, the HOD Media and Journalism Department at the Machakos Institute of Technology. I want to take you for a tour in our department. Join me, let's work together. Welcome. Morning, madam. So here at M.I.T. we have both radio and TV studio for our students' practicals. In radio we do live shows, we do news. For TV we do practicals for news and programs, also for video recording. And photography students, we all have our equipment here to ensure our students are well equipped and competent in this media landscape. Here in TV is where we do our news programs.
News anchor, are you ready? Camera rolling. In 3, 2, 1. Broadcast to go live. Go.
A good afternoon to you, my viewers, wherever you're watching me from. Welcome to the M.I.T. Monday Bulletins. I'm your very own Dorcas Mutua, and these are the headlines.